this video, I will show you how to track changes and comments in Word document. So the first step is to simply open your document, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on review right here, and then you're gonna have this option which is tracking. So if you click on this, basically you're gonna be able to start tracking changes. And as you can see, if you click on this arrow, you can select if you want to track changes for everyone or just you. Now here you have another option, and here you can choose how do you like to track. So as you can see, you can track simple markup, or markup, no markup, original. Then here you have the markup option that you can play around. So in order to start track changes, you're gonna have to simply click on it, and basically now you can start tracking changes that are made to your document. Now if you want to stop that, you're gonna have to simply click on it again like this, just to disable it. Now if you want to see comments made in your Word document, you're gonna have to simply click on show comments, and as you can see, you have two different options. So you have contextual and list. So here you can see the list of comments. So if you want to add a comment, you're gonna have to select your text, and then right click on it, and then here you can add a new comment, as you can see right here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.